Hey guys, this is Sugar Brown. I'm going to show you a tip how to make your chords sound wavy. Let's check it out. Alright guys, so this is my session for Bedroom. Actually, it's out now with Victor. Shout out to Victor Vix. We made it a while back and we just recently released it. So let me play a little bit and then we'll go from there. So this is a cool trick just to add movement to anything. It's something I've learned a while back, just, messing around and seeing what I can kind of move around and just see what fits well to the groove and stuff. It's a really cool trick. So basically the chords sound like this. So you see that you hear the main chord is like dun 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 dun, and then you just hear like kind of like a percussive like shake within. So what I did, which is cool, is so here's the main chords, right? And then you have like this top layer that kind of just has like a jiggle. It's kind of cool. So you see that, right? And so what happens is you just grab a utility tool and basically just make these like little kind of like shark fin things, and it's the coolest fucking thing ever. It kind of like shifts the sample so it's like not fully hitting at the same time, and I even like kind of even shift the sample as well just to kind of give it an extra groove on that. And to just enhance it better, you even put an auto filter, so it's like not only you're automating the volume of it, but you automating the filter, the frequency, so it's like you can do some amazing stuff. And so basically with these top ends, what I did is just cut some lows. I usually cut like the subs and stuff because usually you don't need that, especially in dance music. And then with some OTT is so great. It just like it's over the top compression for every frequency, and it's just so good, especially in the high ends. I just like to go about 50% right there. This Vox flanger is like amazing because like for me it just adds a little crispness of like the top end. First off, let's check it out. So this is without it, and then with it. So it kind of spreads it apart a little bit just to kind of give it some space in the mix and stuff. And then we had an EQ. So with the EQ, it's just basically just ducking down things that are, they're peaking too high, as you can see. And then just bumping some air at like 1300, and then some compression just to kind of bring everything together so it just sounds consistent. And then you got a little bit of do a little dry echo, and then just some reverb on top of it just to kind of give it some movement and that. And then when you put it all together, it comes out like this. Alright guys, hopefully you like that trick. Let me know in the comments below. Bedroom's out. It's on Spotify, it's on SoundCloud, it's everywhere. Shout out to Victor Vix for jumping on it, and hopefully I'll see you guys in the next one.